Okay, so today we're skipping over nail prep and tip application because I do have full videos of those already. I'll link them here so that you can check them out and learn the step-by-step breakdown anytime you want. Once my tips are fully applied and cured, again, full tutorial linked, I do like to jump in and seal everything with a glass top coat on the underside. This is going to keep everything clean, shiny, and protected. It really helps staining and just keeps that fresh set. I'm refining the nail surface and sidewalls a bit, just balancing, making sure everything looks good. Then I take a little acetone to melt the base of the tip into the natural nail. This really helps give a seamless transition. Please ignore the giant art brush. Listen, we're using what we've got today. And then using my e-file to kind of blend out that tip even more, and then wipe away with some alcohol and a quick brush. Next, I'm going in with a little builder gel just to fill any tiny gaps between the tip and the natural nail. This makes everything look like one smooth, continuous surface. This is one of my favorite colors from AliExpress. I cannot remember the shade number, but I'll definitely link that here. It's this rich, deep, gorgeous burgundy that feels festive and classy. I paint the rest of the nails, but for my pinky, I wanted to switch it up and do a cute little Frenchie. So I grabbed my super thin detail brush. This brush is honestly one of my holy grails, and I'll link it below. It's used so often. But anyways, back to the tutorial. I use a red shade to carve out a crisp French line, and then I flash cure to lock it in, and then we're all set. For the thumb, let's do something a bit dramatic. I added a top coat and applied rhinestones all over the tip. Fun, bedazzled moment. Then across the nails, I'm applying these beautiful gold and pink charms. If you ever want a design that looks high effort without actually doing high effort nail art, this is the trick. Solid colors plus a coordinated set of charms and rhinestones. Everything instantly looks elevated and intentional. Just make sure to seal around your charms with either a solid gel glue or a rhinestone nail glue, and then go in with your top coat to lock everything in and give it that glossy finish. I felt like the pinky needed a little extra something, so I added some larger rhinestones at the base just to balance out the whole set. Pulling in the pink, gold, and burgundy tied everything together perfectly. I'll add a little bow for the final touch, and that's it. Super glam, super sparkly, and honestly perfect for the holidays or anytime you want to feel a bit girly and luxurious. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out any other tutorials, and I can't wait to see you in the next one.